flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Showers and thunderstorms over the area Tuesday morning and afternoon. Total rainfall of 4 inches could occur into Tuesday night. Streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms will increase over the area Tuesday morning and afternoon. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible. Total rainfall of 2 to 4 inches could occur into Tuesday night. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.